Hi everyone, I'm Donna.
And I'm Vitika, and we create the science courses on Khan Academy.
We're excited to introduce new physics and chemistry activities sponsored by Adobe.
And new biology activities sponsored by Amgen.
You can find all of these middle school and high school science activities in a single course here and in our existing science courses.
These activities are accessible anywhere, whether you're in a classroom setting or at home. And you can easily find most required materials for these activities or buy them at a low cost.
For teachers and parents, we've designed each activity so it's aligned to the next generation science standards. Plus, we have teacher guides that provide step-by-step instructions, implementation strategies, and more ideas to spark creativity.
Every activity is anchored in real-world phenomena, so you can understand what's going on around you. You'll be able to answer questions like, how can measuring cellular respiration help me reach a fitness goal?
Or, how does the International Space Station produce enough oxygen to keep the astronauts alive?
Or, how can a skydiver fall safely? Wait, how do they fall safely?
You can find out through our new hands-on activities. So, are you ready to do science?
Then let's get started.